Alright. Alright. Hey guys, it's me, Bacon Hair Vivo, and welcome to another video. Well, today we're gonna be playing some Roblox. So let's just get started. Oh yeah, and my best friend Harlem right here is helping me. So everybody do the flop.
So
yes. You don't want to be invisible, or you are?
I don't want to.
So today we're gonna be playing some Phantom Forces, and there's somebody next to me named Cameron. She's ugly though, so it doesn't matter. That hurts. So we're about to be playing some Phantom Forces, one of my favorite games. I am a rank 11 and I do use shotguns, so don't judge me. Pretty sure they can hear you. Alright, hold up.
Hey, subscribe to me, boy.
Oh yeah, subscribe to It's Harlem Boy. Hold up, let me put him up right now.
Okay, so
Hold up. It's Harlem Boy. Boy. Yeah, it's Harlem Noy. I'm joking. But it's Harlem Boy. So today we're gonna be. It's Harlem Boy.
Dang, people know me
Notifications and
pretty
yeah.
well. Never mind.
Then he searched up It's Harlem Boy, and it gave him something.
Okay, here.
All right, so subscribe to him.
He's a very big
I have
content.
27 subscribers.
Yeah, I'm gonna subscribe to him too. Subscribe and
Thank you.
leave a notification. And if you can't,
Turn on every notification. Also subscribe to him.
watch one of his videos. They're very good. And
And just
let's go play.
Yeah.
I'm sorry that took so long. We're about to go play. All right. So you guys don't need to see anything.
Here's two.
Yeah, you guys should play this. There's gonna be different kinds of videos, like on Fortnite and things like that. In Fortnite and things like that. So yeah. But right now, you guys are about to see the legend in his progress. I suck. Guys,
did I try?
Harlem's about to try.
Like the normal.
You're about to see my suckiness.
He's not using a sniper. He thinks he is though.
Dang it.
All right, guys. So
I'm gonna die. I never say oops.
all right,
When you died. Yeah.
all right, guys. So
What's so famous? Why is it so famous?
all right, guys. So we're about to use the beast mode gun. Watch this, guys. I'm a beast. You could even ask Harlem, right? I'm a beast.
Yeah.
Thanks. Let's do this.
I could
Ooh,
play with you.
get away from me. I'm trying to do my beast mode skills.
You beast.
I suck.
You beast.
Alright, so right now
You beast?
I hate Phantom Forces. We're not playing that. I hate it. No, it sucks. I hate it. It sucks. Right now we're gonna
So
be.
let's just play
What do you want to play? What game do you like?
I like the Lucky Box game. It's so fun.
Alright, my friend requested Lucky Blocks.
I need to show you the right one because there are a lot of different ones.
Oh, I already know the game. It's this one.
No, it's this one.
No,
never
it's
mind,
this
never
one.
mind.
Yes, I knew it. Gosh, bro, my friends are always trying to correct me.
Be quiet.
I've always wanted to make a YouTube video.
I gave him my account.
He was nice enough to do that. And he's hitting my head, and she's hitting my head because I hate her.
No.
What was
I was patting.
Moya? What happened with the picture?
What picture?
The picture. What
What
kind of Roblox party?
If you get the broom or the magic carpet, that's the most, because nobody can get you.
What kind of Roblox party?
Except for Harlem, because he's a hacker.
All right, guys. I'm muting the music. I hate the music.
Subscribe to Harlem, he's a hacker.
We already said this. I already told them to subscribe to Harlem Boy since he's awesome.
And turn on those notifications.
No, always turn on his notification. What you mean? Skip it. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the merch.
Gonna have to wait till tomorrow.
Oh yeah,
What's some Robux?
We're gonna try to make Roblox videos every
How
day.
does it feel to have Robux?
Feels
Or
actually-
Fortnite sometimes.
Yes, Fortnite sometimes, Roblox sometimes, anything actually. We like to do videos
I
around
wish
here.
I had some.
Oh yeah, sometimes it's Harlem Boy will be in my videos, so like.
True, I'll be home just playing with him.
Yeah, he'll be home playing with me, or I'll be calling him.
Okay.
All right, guys, this is the second lucky block.
Chop it in half.
Oh yeah, and
So just call me when you're
So
about to
you
do
have
a
to-
video.
you have
You
to
know how to
buy-
do a video?
So you just battle
I
other
just
people.
put up the
So go ahead and battle other people.
Gotta bookmark the thing. So
hold up, guys, we're going through a little technical difficulties.
What happened to that Peppa Pig picture
Done.
where she was like, "Ding," and she was shooting something? What happened to that?
Oh, it's not there yet. I record. Where I record. All right, done.
I'm gonna just sit
There we
right
go,
here,
bookmark.
watch you guys play.
All right.
Go
So
back in your game.
I'm back in the game, guys.
I'm
We were
going
just
to
fixing up something. This might be 10 minutes, something like that.
Will Eli give me something?
Yeah, maybe. All right. So
This
like,
is nice enough to do that.
guys, and there's sometimes gonna be some vlogs around here. If we can't even make some. Oh yeah, Bacon here. Come here, Bacon here. Oh yeah, guys, and I have a group. You guys should join it, please.
Like,
I
The
need.
hair literally looks like bacon. I can feel.
I
it
love
how
Bacon Hairs, but Bacon Hair Roy, come here. I like his new name is Bacon Hair Roy.
Yeah.
Oof, I named my Bacon Hairs. All right.
Sometimes we'll be exploiting.
Yeah, maybe
Oh
sometimes.
yeah. Remember that blue guy?
Die!
Harlem,
Bacon, come here. No,
Oh gosh.
Bacon, you're mine.
remember that blue
oh,
guy
yeah.
kept on killing us?
Yeah.
Yeah, we call him blue guy.
But guys,
'Cause he had blue hair.
maybe other people can't see it sometimes because there's this thing called FV or filter enabled, so that sucks.
All right. So everybody, Harlem's in here too because he's the man. I bet you already
He's
heard
the
him.
man with the plan.
She sucks. She
I do not suck.
just said she's. I never said you suck.
You have the same base as me when I played.
Oof. Guys, look what we just got. This looks cool. It's like
I got that before.
good for you. Now get out my video.
You said video.
I said video. So shut up.
Yeah, you wish you could start a YouTube channel.
Also, if you get that green potion, do not doubt it. It's really good.
Just leave it.
It gives you super speed.
All right, guys. We see the noob again. He has his katana. I
And
call
you can
I
buy
call
something
everybody a
that
noob.
Makes you go like super fast. It makes you go like pew fast.
Oh, it does.
You can buy something.
Oh, come on.
Harlem, you can show him. Remember that thing that you bought when you were pew? It's like Harlem
Oh
was
my.
going faster. He was literally.
Oh no, I
killing
lied.
What?
I lied.
you.
I was actually exploiting.
Ah,
I knew you
everybody,
were hacking.
help!
You never trust a hacker.
Fashion. I don't know what I'm
Where
doing.
did he
right
go?
now.
Oh.
Yeah, that pops up
Oh,
sometimes
walking.
too.
Oh, your head is going.
I hate this.
He only has like 2 viruses on here. That's it. But it's not bad viruses.
Oh, remember that virus you
It's a vi-
downloaded on your tablet?
It's a virus thing. Don't worry. Just ignore it.
I hate it. Boop.
Just ignore it.
Yeah, I know it. All right, guys. So okay, Harlem. What do you want me to play?
Well, I'm gonna take over this channel. Okay. Oh,
Sorry, you're fast.
Oh, remember that Slender game?
You guys want to watch the video after?
Roxburgh is a good game though.
It sucks. I have it and it sucks.
I thought you loved Roxburgh.
Used to. It sucks now. It's
Oh, I know what to play.
Oh, are you gonna do the game? Oh, the streets.
nope. All right, guys.
We're playing Island Royale.
Oh, I suck at that game. All right, guys.
I
He said.
love the streets. It's so-
No, let's just play the streets then.
All right. Get out.
So you basically just kill people.
Yeah.
Punch people and kill people.
I don't know why, but I played this. Oh! I accidentally said in player. Oh my gosh, guys.
Look, streets. The Simpsons. Whatever.
I don't get it. It's called The, but it doesn't have streets.
Why can't you just like Like, why can't you just put spaces in your name still? Like,
it's this one.
no, it's
this one.
No, it's this one. The one that's first.
It's all these ones.
You're stupid.
I am. Stop.
I keep getting hit by a little girl. Gosh. She's so little. Keeps hitting me. I actually feel kind of bad. It's like, little girl, why do you keep hitting me?
I know. Yeah.
I cannot buy a Glock, but I will shank some people. Yeah. Alright, bro, you wanna get shanked? 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 Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Yeah, bro.
To step on people or
You
press
can find
E.
guns and stuff.
I already know. I've already played this game. Oh, bro, you wanna get shanked? Oh, my bad, bro. I don't wanna shake him anymore, guys. Oh, I don't wanna shake you anymore.
You gotta shoot him. You can't shoot him.
I can't get.
It's
Oh,
not a shot.
back cash! Back cash! Ooh, yeah, got back cash, boys.
You like that cash, boys?
Alright, guys. So I got my mini knife, the strongest thing in the game. I'm joking, it's a shotgun. Oh my gosh, guys, I just lagged a little. Oof. Look at how much people are talking. Oh! Alright. So who'll be back?
Oh God, he was so run!
Nah!
Oh,
Nah,
okay.
boy. You want to go, bro? I got you, bro.
He's so bad with a gun.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh,
Get dropped, bro! Oh my gosh, I can't drop him. I'm too low.
He's so bad. He's just
Because
spinning
stamina.
around, like, boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
Step on him.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, oh my gosh, I just lagged him out of the world. Alright, guys.
Put that laggy body on him, and then he lagged.
So he wanted to mess with. Oh! That's a dangerous
She's
girl.
lagging so hard.
It's a danger. Yeah, she's lagging.
Let's just kill her.
kill her.
I'm pretty sure I'm the one lagging.
Yeah, people lagging, you can't
She
kill.
just. You have the lag virus. If you touch anybody else,
you can
they'll
get a
lag
machete.
out the world.
Yeah, guys. So now I have a machete, which I didn't want. I accidentally bought it. Okay.
And that's actually good.
All right, guys. So you
You
could go.
got a nah.
All right. That's not a knife.
Oh,
This.
great.
Oh yeah, guys. Look at the fight we just got into, guys. We're gonna get into this big fight. This is a knife. That's not a knife. Even though it is a knife, it's not.
Why did I ring?
I'm sorry if this is bothering you. It's actually. Hey, little girl, you want to fight, little girl? Bro.
She caught him a bit. She caught him
Oh
a-
my gosh, this Ace Jack dude wants to fight. Bro, you want to fight, bro? You want to fight? Ooh.
Should we do a video about Minecraft?
Guys, I'm knocked out. Oof, I just died.
Hey, you want to do a video about Minecraft or not?
Never. I'm not buying Minecraft. That's a stupid thing.
If he would get Minecraft, then it would be the demo. I mean, I still like Minecraft. It's just I don't really want him to do Minecraft videos like me.
Everybody does.
Oh yeah, go watch his Minecraft videos.
Yeah.
But he likes to call it Mooncraft.
Minecraft.
Just warning you guys, he likes to call it Mooncraft.
Minecraft.
Oh yeah, bro. This is the guy I wanted to kill.
Hit him.
Okay.
He goofed out the world.
Oh, you want to fight? Oh yeah.
You're killing two people at once.
Help! No!
Jump. It's easier to walk if you jump.
Guys, my lag. I had the lag virus. He's about to stomp on me.
He doesn't even know how to do it.
Ha.
He knows how to.
That guy's about to stomp on me.
Never mind.
They're not.
He's camping.
He's like camping our bodies. Yeah, boy.
Dummy.
Now stop.
Whoa.
No, stop on him because he's.
What's the other way how to stomp?
Only E. You can only stop with E.
Oh yeah.
And if you're on, alright guys, we just stomped on two people. I actually kind of like this game, cause people keep messing with me and I stomp on them. Stomp. Oh yeah, guys.
Trey plays this.
Oh yeah, guys. If you just want to troll, go over to this jail, keep knocking out your friends, and then yeah.
This game is exploit proof. I can't. Like, I tried to exploit on it. It kicked me because and the kick reason was, you know why.
Mad dark outside.
The kick reason
You guys
was.
can go home if you want.
No,
I'll just call him. Yeah, just go home. I'll call him. Alright, guys. Harlan's about to join our video. Well, he's already in it, but I'm saying, like, if he does go home, he's about to fully join it. Harlan, why don't you just go home?
No, I don't want to.
Alright.
Your tablet? Huh? You want your tablet? No.
Guys, right now I want to reset, but everybody said you're gonna be. I'm scared.